Hi, welcome back to the Sector Malaysia channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing the BIXOLON SRP S200 versus SRP S300 linerless printers. On the right we have the SRP S300 and on the left the SRP S200. For the SRP S300 accessories, you'll see the partition, 3-pin power cord, and Type B cable. Same goes for the SRP S200. Let's take a closer look at the SRP S300. Both printers share a similar button layout and connectivity, so we'll just take a quick look at the SRP S300. At the back bottom of the printer, you'll find the connectivity ports. Next, let's look at the front, right, and left sides of the printer, including the power button. On top, there's a cover open lever to lift the printer cover. To close it, just press the cover down. Connect the 3-pin power cable to the printer. Once connected, the printer is ready to be powered on. You'll also see the USB Type B port. The Type B connector goes into the printer, and the USB-A connector connects to the device you want to link. The SRP S300 is a 3-inch linerless printer. Now, open the cover and load the receipt paper following the correct orientation as shown, then try a print. This printer supports both linerless label and receipt printing, offering flexibility for different business needs. We're using receipt paper for this print. The SRP S300 also features an auto cutter function. We'll also be trying out the partition. If you'd like to use smaller sized receipt paper or direct thermal labels, the partition allows you to do that. Just fix it in, and you can use 1.5-inch media. For this demo, we're using a direct thermal label. The SRP S300 series is built for high performance, supporting flexible media types and a large roll capacity of up to 120 mm. The SRP S320 prints 203 dpi linerless labels at speeds up to 150 mm per second. These labels are perfect for delivery notes, shipping, patient IDs, and order printing in TL, manufacturing, healthcare, and retail. It also supports 2-inch media. Just remove the left side partition, load the media, and print as usual. Now, let's take a look at the SRP S200 series. Just like before, connect the 3-pin power cable and turn it on using the power button. Similarly, pull up the cover open lever to open the printer and load the media. This time, we're using a 2-inch direct thermal label. Close the cover, and you're ready to print. The SRP S200 is the world's first 2-inch thermal linerless printer, supporting print speeds of up to 150 mm per second and 2 media widths. We'll show the other width shortly. It can also print using 2-inch receipt paper, just like the SRP S300. Let's take a look at the demonstration. The SRP S200 is ideal for light adhesive labeling applications. With its compact design and IP23 rating, it's perfect for use in small kitchen environments where space is limited and conditions may involve moisture or grease. Now, let's insert the partition to demonstrate printing with the smaller media size, 1.5-inch direct thermal. This highlights the SRP S200's flexibility in handling various media widths, making it a versatile choice for different labeling needs. Just like the SRP S300, it also features an auto cutter function. Both the SRP S200 and SRP S300 offer reliable linerless printing with similar button layouts and connectivity. The SRP S200 is more compact, ideal for tight spaces, while the larger SRP S300 supports wider media. Both deliver fast printing and come with an auto cutter for added convenience. Choose the model that best fits your space and media width needs. This wraps up the demo for both models. For more information, check the description box below. If you're interested in pricing or availability, don't hesitate to contact Sector Malaysia. Subscribe today for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.